and have similar experience in other forums. Some may think why I need this mentoring session, but a lot of things to learn. Even seniors, we need to learn a lot, and those who are new in their careers, of course, this is a lot beneficial. So I will introduce now today's speaker, Madam Lakshmi Prasanna ji. She's IIM Calcutta alumni. She hails from a business family. She's passionate about innovation in business development and mentored over a few hundred entrepreneurs in the last decade. She's currently director of Srikari Foundation in the space of healthcare and early childhood development. She's one of our trainers in IDEA and a management consultant. I now request Lakshmi Madam to take over. Over to you, Madam. Madam Lakshmi Prasanna, you can hear me? Over to you. Madam Lakshmi Prasanna, I will call her. Yeah, yes, madam. We are ready. You can.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, madam. Now we can able to.
Yeah.
Lakshmi Prasanna, madam, please continue, madam. We can able to hear you.
Hello, madam. Already we have introduced you.
I think you have muted yourself.
Able to move the screen. Amalu, no help, I'm worried about you. You go off. Annan will. It's okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Madam, you can start your presentation.
Which one?
Side button.
No, where do I start video?
Yes, madam.
It will go to this.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, madam.
Sorry, I just had a technical glitch as usual, but welcome to IDEA. How are the members today? I need an interactive session. IDEA is about sharing ideas. It's a platform where we all share our beautiful ideas, rocking ideas. And I would like to see you in the chat. How are you this evening? How is the IDEA this evening? I want to see how you're feeling today. Anil, I need to see the chat once.
Go to this chat.
No. Good, great, nice. I have Harsha, more, fantastic. Dinukar. Srini, good. More from the ladies. I'm waiting for the ladies. Kushi Jain, good. Great day. Great. I hope you had a wonderful evening together. Now, what I would like to ask you is one question, where I need your answer in the chat. Can you tell me what is your idea of IDEA? What do you think of IDEA? What is IDEA for you? I need answers from everyone. everyone who wants to have some takeaway. If you're here in this meeting and you want to have a good takeaway for your business to enhance your business results in this month itself through Idea Platform, I need to understand, what do you think is Idea for you? What does Idea means for you? Networking, sharing innovative ideas, great. Ilyas Babu, Idea is a seed which will grow our business like banyan tree, great. It is a fruitful platform. Pratap Reddy, networking from decent experts, innovations. Mutually helping each other. Dinakar, more. Place to grow business networking and relationships from Harsha. Good, Harsha. Ilyas Babu, Idea is a root and gives business as sweet fruit. Nice. Okay. Anyone else? Kishan Rao, to develop business through networking and acquiring knowledge of various business. Great. Srinivas Balkikar, platform to grow business together. Absolutely. More to come? Okay, let's sum it up. What is Idea for all of us? Yes, more are coming in. Learning organization. There's a platform to enhance business. Navneet. Harnath sir, yes, great. What is Idea? Now, Idea, it is an alliance among entrepreneurs. I need you to take notes. If you have a notepad, please keep taking notes. It's an alliance. And what is an alliance? It's a group. We are micro and small entrepreneurs group with an objective of marketing, that is finding new clients and customers, because for marketing is like an engine. In other words, group marketing is our prime objective. So what are the two key words that you should be remembering from this? One is alliance, my friends. The other one is group marketing. This is what makes Idea different from any network you would be in part of or you would come to know of. Two words, two keywords, please remember. Throughout this presentation and throughout this discussion, you will be finding the core idea behind Idea is coming together as an alliance and also group marketing, right? Now, coming back to what is an alliance? Let's understand what is an alliance. Today, if we are coming together for this mentoring session, we are coming together as an alliance of business people, right? We are a team. Now, examples of alliance, like you can see on the screen, is India is a multi-states. Different states come together. We are federal, unitary in spirit, federal in nature, right? European countries, European Union has come together as an alliance for business, economic reasons. ASEAN is a group of 10 countries with an economic forum. UN, socio-economic political group, it is an alliance. Likewise, Idea is an alliance of business entrepreneurs. This is Idea for you. Right? So now you know what Idea is about. But if I ask you now what Idea is for you, you would definitely use the two words. One is alliance, one is we come together as entrepreneurs for group marketing of our business. Right? How do we differentiate ourselves from a regular referral networking platform as an alliance of dynamic entrepreneurs? We do group marketing. We fit in the puzzles of your business. We collaborate with each other. This is not about a group of people sitting and networking and exchanging cards. This is about an alliance of entrepreneurs who fit in business pieces together, who collaborate for business. This is the alliance of Idea. when we come to an alliance, furthermore, we go deeper into this concept wherein networking becomes a westernized concept for mid-sized companies, whereas we in India are small to mid-sized, micro to small-sized companies, right? While MSME definition, you get below 5 crores, of course, upwards of 5 crores also. We have micro and small companies which come together as business alliances. Each company owner is a CEO, not a network marketer. You are a CEO of your own company, micro or small, and here you have an alliance of such CEOs and entrepreneurs. This is the meaning of real alliance. What do we do here? Usually in other network platforms, the business focus is from member to member. 50, 60 members meet and exchange business between each other. Whereas here, what do? We focus on business from outside to members. We are much larger. It could be national, it could be international also. The one more thread we'll be talking throughout is you could sit here in Hyderabad, in Gurgaon, or maybe in Calcutta, but you could get business from Cambodia or elsewhere through this platform. So your small or micro business becomes international. So the business is from inside to outside, outside to inside, not just among members. If I sum up all the discussion we had in this first part, right? What are the advantages of group marketing? We understood what is alliance. We understood what is group marketing. What are the advantages here? Is just not meeting known contacts within a group, but you're multiplying contacts. That's the difference. Meeting unknown contacts. Is it easy or difficult? Can you put it in the chat? Meeting unknown contacts. Is it easy? It's very, very difficult, right? Here in this platform as an alliance, it is made easy for you. You just don't do business like somebody who comes to a meeting and spreads his visiting cards and brochures. Here you take business to the next level with high dignity, just like a CEO of your business. Then for relationship events, you do cost sharing. That is the advantage. Just like a big company, you can spend on relationship events on Idea platform by sharing your costs. And furthermore, you use effective media. Media can be used effectively with ads, emails, your webinars. There are a lot of platforms where you take group marketing to the next level. So these are briefly, my dear friends, are advantages of group marketing. Here, before we move on to the next part of the seminar, I want you to pay clear attention to what are the tools that we are using in group marketing. This will make a lot of difference. So let me tell you that I want to see from each one of you using every tool I'm speaking about today, and come back to me in the next mentoring session. This is the kind of business I have generated from this particular tool. And I will be calling you out your names in the next mentoring session and giving you your slot to explain how you have used that tool to promote your business. So I want you to go through these tools very, very concentratedly and note your points and make a plan of how you will use these tools to promote your business in the next month. In the coming 30 days before we meet for the next mentoring session, plan each and every tool has to be planned in your notebook, how you're using to promote your business. So actually what we are doing in this mentoring session is we are making the marketing plan using Idea business tools to promote your business in the next 30 days or so. So is that a commitment and promise to me? I want to see that from all of you. I want to see the yes from all of you. Thumbs up sign, all of you. Good. So that's exciting. What are we doing now? We are just not learning business tools. We are making a marketing plan for you using the Ideas tools. First and foremost, the idea business tools are two types. One is among members, right? The other one is for individuals. First, we will deal with among members. What are the different business tools which are used in groups here? So there are 4 ways: circle meets, inter-circle meets, chapter meets, and intercity chapter meets. Okay. So in these 4, after explaining to you what are these 4 among the members tools, I'll be having a question answer session. So please pay attention. So first we'll talk about circle meets. What is the object of a circle meet? So you have a chapter. Within that chapter, there will be small groups of 5 to 6 members who meet and have a focused discussion and take a constructive decision on going for field visits. For example, this small group could be, you can see the picture here of a construction, right? A building construction. So this small circle meet will be a construction, pre-construction circle group, which will discuss about a particular construction, and you could be at different stages. Somebody could be providing cement, somebody iron, somebody could be doing PVC windows, somebody could be doing the basic architecture also can be given to this particular. Suppose I have a client, I'm an architect and I'm doing the design. I have a circle in idea group and I invite for a meeting together, all of us we sit together and plan field visit to the construction owner to what are the services we can provide together. So what happens here is a focused meeting. For example, to make you remember what is a circle meet and how it helps you is, in a chapter meet, it is like you are traveling in a metro every day. You meet regularly, you meet some neighbors who are traveling. You know these people by face, but one to one, he doesn't know what you are doing or that person doesn't know what you are doing. So in a chapter meet, majority of people meet, but you might not know what each other is doing. But in a circle group, you get to know each other better. You know what they are doing and you do make constructive decisions and also constructive work by doing field visits and focusedly work on the project you take up, which will yield business numbers again. Now, for every tool that we say, there is a standard operating procedure. How do you do it? Circle head, every circle will have a circle head. And in with discussion with the members, you can decide the time, you can decide the place you want to meet, you can decide the field visit, and you can decide which, customer you're going to meet in concurrence with the president. The president has to be put in loop. So this is the way circle meet helps you plan your business, right? I hope you are part of a circle and you are planning your this week's visits with your circle mates, circle heads. Now, within a chapter, there can be inter-circle meets. For example, we spoke about a small circle of construction. Construction people can meet interior, and interior can meet finance, right? Finance can meet lifestyle, and lifestyle can meet event management. This is all a collaborative work. Objective of this inter-circle meet is how one circle can help the other circle, right? Now, construction people have met and they want to go and meet the interior people. The interior people are given work from the construction site that they are already working on. Some interior group is working with a project and the project needs finance. You can meet with the finance people. Likewise, finance people can give business to lifestyle. So inter-circle meets help each other in sharing different opportunities, number one. Number two, suppose interior has done a field visit to a particular mall construction and they find that they need event managers in that particular mall construction. So you can share that news of this field visit to that event management group so they can also plan their field visit there. So this is the advantage of inter-circle meets. So how do you initiate? What is the standard operating procedure for inter-circle meet is both circle heads can consult the president and have an inter-circle meet. So this is the advantage of doing inter-circle meets. It can be initiated by the circle heads with the consultation from the president. We all know about chapter meets, right? This is what we do on a regular basis. But do we know the objective? Number one is getting to know your members, right? Number two, apart from knowing your members, number two is discussion of economic conditions from local to global, right? That is most important when you meet your customers, right? When you're servicing your customers, definitely as a CEO of your own company, when you're handling them, knowing the economic conditions, knowing being informative will really help boost your business. So this is the most inspiring aspect of chapter meets, right? Thirdly, discussing the roadmap of the chapter every 6 months between the members and head table. These are the basic 3 objectives we have for chapter meets, right? How do we coordinate? What is the standard of operating procedure? You know, head table with inputs. So head table will be planning with transparency and collaboration from the members. So you can give your inputs to the head table. Suppose you want to have one particular, economic criteria discussed, like economic SOPs for startups, the new norms given by the government of India, collateral free loans. These are the few topics you can give to the head table, and this can be, discussed in. So this is the broader view of the chapter meets. Coming to the intercity chapter meets. What is the objective? Intercity. Now that we have gone online, that is the advantage. Like every problem has an opportunity. This corona, whatever COVID situation that we have, has brought us online. Now we have the Mumbai chapter attending the mentoring session. Normally I would have had to travel there, right? Now that we have totally pan-India presence attending on a Sunday evening. So intercity chapter meets have become very easy for us connecting. So please take advantage of this. This is going to take your business national. This is one big dynamite in idea platform which will get you business throughout India. Please use this tool, my dear friends. Chapter presidents, within the chapter members, take initiative. What we do complementing of business opportunity. Right now, for example, we have a CA in Chennai, right? He is servicing a client and the client says, I need my business serviced in Gurgaon. I need my office serviced in Calcutta. So the reference comes to Calcutta chapter or Gurgaon chapter. That is complementing our business, right? Next, exchange of economic opportunities. When 2 chapters meet, Calcutta chapter and Bangalore chapter or Mumbai chapter, across, let us say East and West, Mumbai and Calcutta chapters have a intercity chapter meets. What happens here? Your Chamber of Commerce might be doing in Calcutta one special business initiative. You might tell your friends in Mumbai that why don't you get in touch we have a very good business opportunity coming from the entire idea platform from Chamber of Commerce. They are giving us this initiative. So this exchange of economic opportunities can happen, right? How does this collaboration happen? Standard operating procedure is between both the presidents. Both the presidents can collaborate, come together, decide a common date, and then have an intercity chapter meets. Friends, this is an excellent platform. Please, every chapter, please plan an intercity chapter with each other. Your business is going to go to the next level. And I'm sure in my next mentoring session, I will hear a lot of businesses, being closed, referrals being given just by this powerful tool of intercity chapter meets. Okay, everybody good to go? Now, I would want 2 things I want from you, right? In the chat, everyone should answer this. What are you initiating in your chapter? In the next 15 days, which one are you? And which is the best tool you feel will take your business. Out of these 4 group activities, which is the best tool you feel? Why? And are you going to take which one are you going to take up immediately from your chapters? Can I hear from you all? Okay, Circle Meet is the best because it will fetch relevant business from Dinakar. Sujit Datta, Circle and Intercity Meets. Rahul saying forming circles and nominating coordinators. Most important, please do it in your chapter. Most important, don't lose business. Intercity and Circle Meets. Yes, Anil Lunia, you said joint calls. Yes, there is a name for it. It is called field visits. Joint calls is nothing but field visits among circle members, right? We will come there, one-to-one will come there. Now we are doing 4 group businesses, 4 group activities, which are chapter, interchapter, circle, intercircle. 4 between members. Individuals, please ensure you are part of the chapter meeting, right? You're always part of the chapter meetings. But be part of interchapter, be part of one circle, one intercircle meet in this month. Ensure that you are part of this. If you don't have a circle, please be part of a circle. Join a circle, create a circle, take initiative, discuss with your presidents. These 4 tools will give you a lot of business, right? Okay, so having concluded this, we will come to something else. Circle meets, I have already explained to you how circle meets can happen, how between each of you can do it, chapter meets. Now, we will come to individual internal tools, right? So these are group tools we have discussed. Together, how you work out your business. In a group, how do you take the platform and work? Now, individually, how can you use the tools? There are 4 tools again. One is mentoring, ask, there is a WhatsApp group, and know your member. These are the 4 individual tools you will be using for promoting your business, for group marketing and coming together as alliance. Now we come to mentoring. What is mentoring, right? Everybody needs a mentor. All of you need a mentor. Can you tell me who is your mentor? Everybody, immediately you'll remember somebody. If you're in a family business, definitely it's your father, right? For me, it's Nagaraj Garu when it comes to, mentoring in business. He's been giving me a lot of support, in the last 3 years, right? That way, everybody please write the name of your mentor, personal mentor, right? It could be in the family, it's my husband, right? That way, it could be a father, it could be a business mentor who has helped you throughout. So everybody has a mentor. What does a mentor do? He gives you motivation. He coaches you, tells you, gives you advice, trains you in this, forms of business, gives you advice. This is where you have to look for customers. This is how I have developed business. And this mentor is usually somebody you look up to, somebody who is successful, already reached the place where you want to reach, right? So he gives you a direction, right? And gives you the motivation. This is mentoring. Now I have spoken about, in myself, I spoke about 2 people, right? One is my business mentor, the other is my family mentor. I might have several others. But in idea, when you come to your chapter meet, you would have at least half of the seniors or your colleagues ready to mentor you. You will have 50, 60 mentors. They do give an advice. For example, what do we do here? Objective of mentoring is sharing experience and business practices. This is a good business practice I do, right? And this is how I have taken my business to X to 2X, X to 10X. This is how I have developed my business. This is the way a mentor shares his business practice with a younger person, right? So this happens between members, and you can have frequent mentoring sessions also between the chapter. One-to-one, you can have a mentoring session. Like suppose, for example, I want my website done, a new website done, and I'm getting it done. Who would mentor me? The person already in the website business. Yesterday I called one of them. They told there are n number of people, and he told me different kinds of websites that are available and who would charge how much, what are the good practices you should put into your website, right? So that is one way. Now, I want to buy real estate. I call DRR Garu. I call him and say, sir, somebody met me and I want to buy real estate. And he is giving me these things. The area is this. What does he say? He mentors me. This is the investment. This is the right time to do, whether, so that is the way I seek mentoring when I want to enter the real estate business, right? So this is how everybody in every field can become your big mentor. And believe me, this doesn't come cheap. Outside for mentoring, coaching, all of you know now, online gurus, online coaching, they charge you per hour, 1,000 rupees, 2,000. Yesterday, Nagaraj Garu gave me 1 hour time in the evening mentoring. Normally, a CA would charge, XXX, giving that kind of time to the client. I got free mentoring, right? So that is the advantage of IDEA. No one will cost. Every minute is important for all of us. We are business people. Now, we are getting this time. Nobody will think if DRR Garu, I call him and ask him for a mentoring session, he will not say 1 hour I will charge you. Normally he would charge outside to share those things, right? So my husband is a doctor. He would charge by hour. But if we take a mentoring session from him, he wouldn't, because this is for IDEA. Please remember, you're getting these kind of mentorship free of cost, heartfully, and genuine, authentic mentoring. Please use this platform. Please use this platform. Recognize who are the mentors you want to speak to in the next coming 10 days. Who are the mentors you want to take advice from? Not necessarily seniors, but seniors in business, experts in the business, experts who would give you that idea in your business which will take it to the next level. As simple of website designing, website advice, traffic can be moved to your website. Simple 15-minute discussion can increase traffic to your website. So this is the importance of mentoring, friends. Please have 2 mentoring sessions at least this week with one of your chapter members. Now, IDEA Ask, right? Ask is something we know, we all know. We ask people, like, even they say, there is a saying in Telugu, Adagande ammaina pettadu. Unless you ask, mother will also not feed. You have to ask, right? But ask is not standing and saying that, this is my company, I do this is my product, and please give me reference. That is not how IDEA Ask works. It works differently. There's a beautiful example I heard of Ask. For example, I might be a CA. Let us take example of Nagaraj Garu. I never heard him introducing himself as CA. He says, I'm doing accounting, auditing for SBI, and they need internal auditors. I would like to give you a reference. Is that an ask or a referral? I say it is an ask, right? How beautifully he has told that. He did not say, I will not remember also, right? Now I am an auditor sitting across him, and then I will remember Nagaraj Garu forever, because I know what he says, that he is a CA, he is working for SBI, and he said they need auditors. Immediately I get in touch with him, and I am servicing other branch of SBI. I would say that they need a CA here, right? It happens mutual. Ask is a very, very powerful tool. Very, very powerful tool, the way you use it, right? the way you use it. You all know the words specific, terrific, and all that. But you have to go a notch beyond being specific and make your ask something which is useful to your team also. Something which is useful to your chapter also. This is how you can work. Now, coming after ask, what is that? There is a screen sharing that has stopped. Yeah. Now, how do you use
Madam,
ask?
presentation is not appear.
Okay. Share. It's not shared.
Yes, yes. Presentation is not there.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Stop in mobile.
Give me a second.
I think in between somebody else shared that.
Somebody started sharing the screen in between. I'll start sharing once again.
Yeah.
Can I escape this?
Screen sharing and Zoom.
Otherwise, you can share in our group, madam, so that I will share.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm just doing this. Can you mute this once?
Yeah.
Video. Where is it?
Yeah, we got it now.
Yeah. No, I have done it once.
Yeah, screen sharing has come, madam, now. We can see the
Yeah.
presentation.
How to put the picture?
Yeah, we have the screen sharing
Yes,
is
yes.
now appearing, ma'am.
Yeah. Give me a second. Video. Okay, sorry. Now, what is that we have after idea ask is know your member. Please know the difference between two. One is mentoring, the other one is know your member. Mentoring is about business advice, you know, taking advice from the others. Know your member meets is between two members, and it can also be a group activity by head table. What does it do? Like, for example, we are in an apartment and we keep seeing your neighbors. You say hello and hi every day. Yes or no? So I have a doctor who lives next to me. I say hi and hello to her always. But unless I meet her one-to-one, I call her on a dinner to my house, and I know we might be having mutual friends between us. We might be coming from the same place, and we might have somebody who can help each other, who needs our help. So once we sit together, we understand each other. So that is the way it is. In chapters, we always, like people are in the apartment, we come and meet. But do you know each other well like a neighbor, like your own business partner? You need to know. The two words I want you to remember for know your member. Every member in your chapter is your business partner, right? Unless he knows your business and you know his business, you are not going to help each other. To help each other, you have to do know your member means. Okay, developing relationship. Now, the key focus is business relationship. Now, in marketing, the trend is people never call this marketing now. They call you relationship manager. Walk into a bank, right? They say, sir, here is your relationship manager. And he will handle everything for you. Actually, he's the marketing person. They are not called that. They build relationship with you. Now, you too have relationship managers in your office, right? With your customers, right? You have to spend money on that. Now, if I sit with you, with Karthik and understand his business, I sit with him and understand his business across online. I know his business, what he does. He knows my business and what I do, right? Now I'm going to meet somebody tomorrow. For example, I have a meeting with a CEO of one software company tomorrow. And then when I talk to him, then he talks to him of some need he requires. Then I know I have Karthik, he is dealing with specific thing you are looking for. What am I there? A relationship manager to Karthik. Am I not? Suppose I meet 2 members, knowing every member. I do 2 KOMs every week, right? I meet 10 to 8 people in a month at a very slow pace. Aram se, Hyderabadi style mein karenge na, chai pe. If no corona fear, we will do nicely in Nawabi style and understand only 2 people will meet, achi tarah. And then 8 people only we know. But even at that pace, we have 56 relationship managers working for us in the next 6 months. How is that? Normally, I have to pay for those 56 relationship managers, keep track of their activities, whom are they meeting, what is the results, what is my return on investment. This is what a company does, right? I handle almost 180 relationship managers in my job, but entire time is spent in tracking those relationship managers. Here, you have a very mature business owners working as your relationship managers. That is the power of know your members. Please meet 2 members every week and understand their businesses. Know your members. It will be very, very effective. Do not wait for your head table to initiate know your member meetings. Yes, that is a good practice. You can all have know your member meet in a week and know each other. You can initiate. That's a good practice because एक झटके में हो जाता है. लेकिन काम इतना अच्छा नहीं होता. The way you would have developed your own relationship. That takes you to the next level of business, right? Next level of group marketing. Next level of building an alliance. This is the power of know your member meets, my dear friends. Please note 2 members whom you will meet in this week and put thumbs up. Only then I'll move into the next slide. Can you note down 2 members you are going to meet this week and complete your know your members? Please note down 2 people and give me the thumbs up. I'll move on to the next one. It's a very, very powerful tool. Please use it effectively. Coming to WhatsApp group. This is a very powerful medium, my friend. Easy and powerful. Screen time. You know how many hours we spend screen time now? In a day, we are doing our Zoom meets on screen time. Yes, we are always on the mobile. WhatsApp group are very powerful tools. It is not like we have, a group and we just use it, to give attendance or, share Zoom meeting IDs. It's not like that. You can do a lot on WhatsApp group during these pandemic times. Share your asks. You can share your referrals, right? You can impart economic knowledge about your local area. What are the initiatives that are happening? Somewhere there is a online business meeting happening. You can share. There is the government is conducting an online business meet of entrepreneurs. You can share in your group. Business information, latest developments, asks, referrals, testimonials. Wonderful tool, right? So you should compulsory use WhatsApp as a powerful medium in this, particularly where pandemic times we are not freely able to meet each other. Use this group effectively, right? Now, how do we operate is, all of you know, Head Table has admins, the chapter group, and when we have circle head and group, circle group, right? Circle can plan fits, share us and referrals. Wonderful medium. This can be used even to highlight your testimonials. Suppose you got a lead from Gurgaon and you have converted it. Share a testimonial in this group and other members will be motivated to work more in interchapter meets coming across. Right? One more thing I wanted to tell you, know your members need not be within your chapter. It can be interchapter now. Now we are all part of mentoring session here. Even our Mumbai friends are there, our Bangalore friends are there, our Calcutta friends are there. Why don't you pick up one member and do a know your member meet with somebody in Mumbai? Right? You have a WhatsApp group. You can ask your Head Table, I want to, meet somebody in Mumbai. So you can use this platform very, very constructively, my friend. Do promise yourself that you will do one posting every day in your group, either for an ask or a referral. You will give some economic development or a business information. Give a testimonial or a thank you note in your WhatsApp group. 6 forms are there. Any of these 6, if you are sharing daily, please remember your visibility increases. They will see you as a valuable member in the chapter. They will see you somebody who is serious about the business. Visibility increases. This is a powerful medium. 6 activities you can do in WhatsApp group. 1 a day, pick up 1 a day, and you will see your referrals and your business growing. Right? For entertainment, please have a separate group. Separate group. Please do not post anything apart from asks, referrals, testimonials, economic development, and business info, which will actually highlight you as a very serious business professional. This is the power of WhatsApp group. We have finished 4 different things that we can use individually. So I will repeat, before moving on, I will repeat what are these 4. One is your ask, one is your know your member, mentoring, and being part of WhatsApp group. These are the 4 things that you can do individually and take your business to the next level. I request you to do all these 4 in the coming 10 days and plan your business marketing plan through IDEA in these 10 days. And you can come back and tell me how your business has, benefited from this. 4 individual tools, right? In business, we all know, as business owners, we all know what lot of things are not controlled in business. What is in control is what I do. What I do is very much in my control. I can't sit and blame the pandemic, right? Here we are on Sunday evening, all entrepreneurs were meeting and learning. This is a learning sessions. So we are doing what is in control. Are we those people who are sitting at home and saying that the pandemic has pulled down my business? No. We are saying this has given an opportunity, right? This is in our control. Same way, the individual tools I have told you are very much in your control. Please implement them, friends, and equate it to the kind of business you will grow into using these 4 tools I discussed, very diligently. Please use them. Have a business plan. Meet 2 mentors this week. Know 2 members this week. Why not 2? We had somebody who had done 7 meetings in the last 1 week. despite of pandemic. Post ask in your group, right? And give a referral in your group, give a testimonial in your group. Meet somebody who is in Mumbai chapter. All these exciting things will take your business to the next level. Now, we have now come to the second part of our presentation. In the second part, we are dealing with different tools we have for public relations. Two tools we have discussed, which are group tools within the organization, which are individual tools, business tools within the organization. Now, what about public relation? We told idea is not just about alliance of people who are coming together and giving business to each other. Idea is a platform which multiplies contacts, which gives you business from outside, which helps you build a funnel, right? So what are those tools which you can effectively use to build your own public relationship? You are a head of an organization. You are the CEO of your own company, right? For any organization on PR, big organizations have to invest a lot. Why are we part of IDEA? Because we don't need to invest in this. Public relation is all automatically done, right? By your chapters, by your friends, and by the systems that are in place in IDEA. This is again a fantastic tool which you can use to promote your business, to enhance your business to next level, right? Starting with, what do we have? A directory, right? Very good example I will give you of directly. Yesterday, Nagaraj garu shared, I felt excited, right? So we have our Nikhil Tendulkar, my best friend, from Central Chapter. When the directory was published, he went and met one CEO, Goldstone company, and he has given the directory. In that, the company owner saw Nagaraj sir's name. He said, "Arey, I forgot, Nagaraj garu, I have this Chinese business that is coming up. Please come and meet me." Who has benefited? Who gave the directory? Nikhil sir. Who got the benefit? Nagaraj garu. So remember, that is the power of directory, right? Please remember, you make a habit of giving and meeting with a directory. Your prestige is enhanced. Instead of carrying one brochure of yourself, if you are carrying a directory like this, a professional directory to your customer, they will know that what is the kind of strength you have. You are part of a larger group. There are 60 people at the tips of your hands who can service this customer. You know these people. You can get things done like this. You can call people and ask the help. You can call people and get the customer serviced. That is the power of this directory. So first and foremost, had Nagaraj garu not put his name in the directory, will he get that reference? No. No, right? So the business did not stop there. After that, he went and met the customer. When he was saying the directory, he started saying, "Arey, I have need in housekeeping, right? I have need in this IT." So he started looking at the other members also. If your name is not there in the directory, friends, you are losing a big business opportunity. Big business opportunity. Please ensure that your name is there. Your business is highlighted in the directory. You will not know when. Maybe 6 months down the line, you will get it. Maybe 2 years down the line, you will get it. But you will get it. Please ensure that you are featured. Your business information is provided in the directory. Right? This is a tool to connect to your customer, a visibility, a big opportunity to be visible, right? And most of all, easy to meet an unknown entity, right? Suppose you want to meet a construction site owner. A construction is happening and you want to meet the owner, right? Suppose you go with a brochure with a group of people, you're most welcome. Because you are coming as a team, as a group. This is how the brochure helps you. And there can be separate objectives, right? Everybody in the directory with separate objectives can be seen, and the customer will be able to keep the directory with him and reach out to you or the person in the directory, right? How do we publish this directory is the head table initiative, right? And it is your responsibility to get the details updated, my friend. Please be innovative, be specific, promote the product you want to promote. Please ensure that you are registered in the directory immediately, and you also carry the directory wherever you go, because it gives the power of 60. What is the power of 60? The chapter members. The directory is the weapon in your hand of 60 powerful businesses and the idea platform. Please carry it with pride. Always have 5 to 6 directories with you, even 10, because you might be meeting people and this will really give you a professional touch, right? This is about the directory. Now seminars. I will give you an example. Why seminars, right? Usually it is the morning meeting, right? And in a previous context, I have invited state secretary for the morning meeting. Because of my relationship, he came. But he said morning meeting and, you know, people introducing, all this is good, ma'am, but I do not know why I came here. ब्रेकफास्ट अच्छा है, सबने कार्ड्स दिया अच्छा है, इंट्रोड्यूस किया अच्छा है, आई लाइक योर टीम स्पिरिट, बहुत जोश है, सुबह सुबह मिल रहा है, लेकिन मैं क्या कर सकता? That is the question he asked me, right? Just imagine, reverse this situation. Reverse this situation. IDEA does a meeting, a seminar on the government economic package, and we call the Ministry of Industry, for Secretary to Minister of Industries for this seminar. Right? All of us are part. So he is also part of the seminar. Then he recognizes, wow, there are 300 people pan-India joining this seminar. This is a business network. Okay, I would like to, you know, how do I help you? Business people, how do I link government tenders to you? You're coming up professionally. Right? Sir, हमारे पास directory है. Whenever you give tenders, you know, you can pick us up. Yes or no? Sir, you have a project, industrial project is coming. Our team will come there and meet your team. Yes or no? So please remember, this is the best example you should remember why we do seminars, because we take our business to the next level. Right? You are valued by your customer. Somebody who is intellectual, somebody who is well informed, somebody who sits with the intellectuals of the business community, right? Who comes from a very professional business community. Your identity will go up 2-3 notches before your HNI clients or your clients who are valuable to you. Please plan such good seminars, be part of it, and invite your important clients to these seminars who will find it as a value addition to themselves, who will start giving you that kind of a respect from being part of a platform like IDEA.
I'm sorry to interrupt. You have 5 more minutes.
Yes.
Thank you.
How do field visits help us again? Right? Field visits are most powerful tools you can have in your circles, right? Construction business, example, right? 2 or more members can take the initiative and plan field visits, inform the president, this is where you are going to go. For example, Pharma City is coming up near your chapter in Calcutta or in Hyderabad or in Bangalore, Pharma City, right? First and foremost is construction people can go, right? And they can meet. And then you can give reference to post-construction people also, right? Similarly, you can take some of your clients as a group to the field visit. Clients can be done. And we have usually practiced this, that field visits are best. You know, if I call somebody up and say that, sir, I'm getting my friend to introduce you, it's a different thing. But if 4 or 5 of experts are coming and said that we are meeting a client, we came to meet you on the way, right? It could be without plan also. But they will appreciate that, you know, a group of good individuals who could be supportive to that particular field have come. We used to meet and go meet the accountant, you know, who he deals with all these things. And he's happy that he's meeting 4 or 5 experts at a go. And then you can go and meet also. And he gives reference to his HR and accounts and all the departments and the purchase departments. So field visits are very, very extraordinary tool you can use to promote your business. And they have to be pre-planned, they have to be well-planned, strategized. Have a strategy behind field visits. And it will help you immensely in, you know, multiplying your business. Entrepreneur's Night is one of the fantastic tools that we have. Again, going back to the example of meeting your customer for an early morning breakfast as an obligation, or inviting to you your customer to an entrepreneur's night where he meets wines and dines, if not wine, at least dines, you know, with us, and shares a good time. He gets to know each other in a relaxed mode. And we don't have a timing. Like, you know, if you meet at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, he comes at his time. It's not like, आना है 7:30 को आना है, breakfast खाना है, जाना है. It's not like that. You sit there, dine with, interact with people. Then he becomes part of this business community, right? The way we are in Idea family, the way we are informal, the way we recognize each other, celebrate our successes, he will see our successes, the performance being rewarded, and your customer will buy into you. The value addition this platform gives to you, the kind of force you have behind you. That is the force of Idea, the kind of support you're getting from this business platform. We have social responsibilities as a part of Idea. You can take up one social responsibility, right? It could be different social responsibility. We have protecting nature is the major thing that Idea has taken up. You can take business which is in alliance with your business, something which correlates with your business, and take one social responsibility. And please remember that Idea will also be supporting you in these initiatives, giving you the platform, and you can also make it a good trump card to impress your clients. When they say you'll have a larger picture in mind, you service the society through your initiative, you get, you know, that kind of respect and value. Right? For example, Microsoft Bill Gates. Now we don't know him as IT Jet, we know him as the biggest charity contributor in the world. Builds up authenticity. You become authentic. People will trust you. This is an inbuilt tool in Idea to get you on that. You need ideas, we are there to help you. Your president is there to help you. But have a social responsibility taken up as a part of your business venture. That will be really, really helpful in taking forward the Idea platform. I need a little more time, DRR Garu. Buyers and sellers meet is a very good concept. I will take 2-3 minutes here, right? That is helpful for our,
Fine, madam.
Team, right? Buyers and sellers meets friend is a fantastic concept. I have not seen anywhere in other networking platform, right? What do you mean by buyers and sellers, right? Similar example, there are a group of buyers. Let us say we have Treda, a real estate, the construction company in Hyderabad, Telangana, real estate, this thing. So they have a, let us say, exhibition. Then a group of construction people can go and be part of this symposium, right? Who are they? They are the buyers. Who are we? We are the sellers. We come together on a platform. Okay, so that is about buyers and sellers. Similarly, there is a government project that has come and they release a tender for different parts of that project. So they are the buyers, right? You could form a circle, can go there and meet them. Let us say it is hospital industry. So we'll have hospital equipment, construction. This team can go and meet the group there. So this is how buyers and sellers meet. You in your chapter, right? This is for us, we can say wholesale business, right? We get bigger businesses, big volumes of businesses, and at one go, we meet. What happens is the kind of authenticity you get, right? As a group, when you're representing as a group of professional business people on a common platform, on a public platform, and going and meeting the buyer, it will give you more weightage than an individual group going and meeting them. That is the power you exude when you meet on this idea platform. So your chapter, you individually also has to look at these buyers and sellers and meet. That is why we were talking in the previous tools that, you know, always look at the local business opportunities, share it in your WhatsApp group, have the discussions in your chapters meet, at least plan one big buyer sellers meet every quarter in your chapter. You be instrumental, take the lead. Ultimately, you are also getting advantage of that, right? So be that leader in your team, take support of the head table, plan at least one quarterly buyers and sellers meet in your chapter and share it with other circles, other chapters, because this becomes viral. This has to be like hot cake, my friends. So many economic opportunities are coming because of COVID. And believe me, post this COVID phase, businesses are going to boom. And people will be appreciated when we are ready with this platform. We are ready to sell. We are ready to buy as a group, right? This is the best tool. Please plan one quarterly meet, at least in this buyer sellers meet. So that is, thank you to all of you. Diara Gargu, your words before I ask some questions to the team.
Yeah, thank you.